Kids, today we are learn about the alphabets with colors. Black color, pink color, orange color, green color, blue color, purple color, red color, yellow color. Let's start the video. Okay. Pink color, green color, brown color, red color, yellow color, blue color, blue color. A for apple. Red color. B for ball. Green color. C for cat. Pink color. D for dog. Orange color. E for elephant. Brown color. F for fish. Blue color. G for gun. Red color. H for house. Green color. I for ice cream. Pink color. J for jug. Orange color. K for kite. Brown color. L for lion. Blue color. M for monkey. Red color. N for nest. Green color. O for orange. Pink color. P for parrot. Orange color. Q for queen. Brown color. R for rat. Blue color. S for sun. Red color. T. T for tiger. Green color. U. U for umbrella. Pink color. V. V for van. Orange color. W. W for water. Brown color. X. X for X-ray. Blue color. Y. Y for yak. Green color. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.